How to draw an isometric plant. First, setting your canvas, which I show you in the previous videos. You can go back and review it again. And I start to draw a pot. Now I use the same step like the previous video. But this pot is taller and thinner. Yeah, we got a pot. Next, we will draw a plant in the pot. The leaf is bigger and it kind of like a fern. I draw the shape first and then I draw the pattern inside. You can see how can I make it. Yet I finished the first one. The next one I will do the same. Oh, it's a different layer, so you don't have to worry. Okay, after that I think I will switch it to another side. Yet you see, and now I'm making the third one, the third leaf. Then you can also duplicate it and switch to another side. Adjust a little bit the position. And then it's done.